Vac-Con Sales here. Today we're going to talk about our new Titan combination unit. We're going to talk about some of the benefits and some of the features. On the front here, you'll see this truck is using our Omnibus Precision Power operating system. Now the truck is still available with our hardwire standard controls, but with the Omnibus, some of its benefits are the diagnostic capabilities, ease of usage, and simplification of the wiring. Another standard feature on our Titans is going to be our remote transfer case engagement. So this is the same small Allison transmission pad that you have inside. However, since this is a transfer case drive truck, you no longer have to get back inside of the cab to engage your transfer case. Operation is just the same from out here, but you can use your remote start for the chassis, engage your transfer case, and never have to step back in the cab until you're done. On the curb side, we're going to start off with our water system. First thing you'll notice, this is a very nice machine water block. So this is going to be my water tree. This is going to have all of my functions, from my air purge, my debris tank flush out, my high pressure handgun, my low pressure handgun, all cleanly arranged in one nice neat line. You don't have to go crawling around the truck or look for your valves. On our trucks, we're using a triplex giant pump. This particular truck is rated at 50 gallons per minute at 3,000 PSI. We can do from 30 gallons per minute up to 80 gallons per minute, 2,000 to 3,000 PSI. Now you'll also notice my hose reels. So the larger fitting, this is my high pressure handgun for hydro excavation. That's going to put out up to whatever your pump is rated at. So I have a 3,000 PSI water pump. I'll be able to get a full 3,000 PSI out of that hose. The smaller fitting is my low pressure handgun. That's 700 to 800 PSI. So that's great for cleaning out your debris tank, rinsing off the truck, cleaning up your site, or doing catch basin work. Another feature that is unique to this Titan unit is the combination of our Aero Boost fan, our quiet drive transfer case system, as well as the air routing. So it's a little bit different than your standard combination unit. Instead of drawing the air back out of the front of the debris tank, we've divided the air into equal parts on either side of the debris tank. So we've got a much smoother, much more even flow. It allows for better filtration through our twin cyclone separators, which keeps the amount of material going through your vacuum system down to nil. We also have here our 5-pipe Lazy Susan rotating pipe rack. It's a fantastic system, very simple, very robust. Pull down a catch pin, and all your pipes are readily available and easy to get to. Another feature that is going to be standard on our Titan unit is our industrial style flat door. Instead of the dome door that we do on our standard combination units, this door is completely flat, using 2 oversized hydraulic rams actuating 4 wedge locks for a very positive seal on your door. No matter how much liquid or how much material you have in your debris tank, it will not leak, and it's very simple, very robust, and very easy to use. On the driver's side, we get a really good view of the vacuum system on this Titan unit. So this is our upgraded Aero Boost fan. Looks very similar to our classic 3-stage, but it's a bit different. We've cleaned up the airflow, smoothed it out, it's much less turbulent. But basically what that means for the operator is you get about 40% more vacuum, about 1,000 more CFM, over 200 inches of vertical lift. And coupled with our quiet drive transfer case, you can run full vacuum at less than 1,300 RPMs. That's 91 decibels at the front of the truck. What that means for the operator and for the end user overall, less noise, less heat, less fuel usage, and much better performance over a standard unit. Another feature that is unique to Vac-Con and especially unique to this Titan. This is our auxiliary engine. We're using this to power our water pump. It's a direct drive, so your water pressure is controlled directly by the engine RPM. This truck also has auxiliary hydraulics. So all of my hydraulic functions, my boom, my hose reel, everything's running directly off of the pony motor. What does that mean? That means that if I'm just jetting for the day and I don't need to vacuum, I can completely turn the chassis engine off and run all my functions off of the pony motor. So it's a lot quieter, much less fuel usage, and it's a lot easier on the operator. This truck, we are carrying 1,300 gallons of fresh water. We can do whatever capacity the customer likes, up to 1,500 gallons. Our tanks are made out of cross-linked polyethylene. It's not plastic. It's actually a very, very durable form of polyethylene, similar to the kayak or Yeti cooler. Allows it to expand and contract with the weather. Since it's polyethylene, you don't have to worry about any corrosion, and our drains are low mounted, so any sediment that would collect won't go into your water pump. Now in terms of storage, for a 1,300 gallon truck, we can put storage boxes back here. We can pretty much put storage wherever you like. That's up to the customer. In terms of the debris tank, it's made out of core tin steel. What that gives us is a much greater abrasion resistance over standard high carbon. Thank you for joining me with this walk around for this incredible Titan unit. If you have any more questions or need some answers, you can go to our website at www.vac-con.com or give us a call, area code 904-284-4200. Thanks guys.